Would you like to see one of the hidden treasures here in Oregon? Come on and take a short tour with me and I'll show you around. Recently we took a drive way out into the country to the side of a mountain to the Luma's Winery. Even though it's just a big country barn, it's so cute on the inside. My wife and I were excited to go out on this Saturday afternoon date. Are you surprised that old people still go out on dates? Tasting flight. This sampler lets me taste 6 different kinds of wines. I think I'll have it.
Okay. So you'll start out with our 2025 Locks Pinot Noir.
Okay.
And then once you're ready, I would suggest to jump to the left and then just kind of work your way towards the vineyard and back down.
Okay, very good. Ooh, I wonder how it tastes. Cheese goes well with wine, so we ordered this nice cheese board. Looking out at the vineyard and the mountains while enjoying wine and cheese makes for a perfect date, don't you think? Going out on a day with such ideal weather, enjoying the wine and cheese, and looking at these gorgeous views kind of feels like a luxurious vacation. There's nothing like it.
How is it? Karai? Is it spicy?
Yeah.
Wow. But it's good.
Delicious.
That's great.
Oh, and we can't forget a couple gifts for our friends. Well, the fun's not over yet. What else can we do here?
Can't you see I'm riding a horse?
Let's challenge each other in a game of cornhole.
Whoa!
Here we go. See if I can get it in.
Oh man!
This one is a sack race. So, when you're in the sack race, you get inside the sack and you jump. Try to go faster than the other people.
Nyan, かわいいね。フレンドリーね。
ね、
慣れてるね。
ほんまやね。
一緒に行くの？本当についてくるよ。あ、リンゴがいっぱいなってる。もうすぐ食べ頃かな。オレゴンに住んでてよかったね。
ほんまやね。What a wonderful date we had here in beautiful Oregon. If you ever come to Oregon, I hope you'll visit this place. You'll be so glad you did. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. If you want to see more videos about our life here in Oregon, as well as English lessons, please take a look at these.